this video we're going to see about the how to make this like of effects. We can see about this. Hello, hi, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our channel. In this video we're going to see about the best air application for selfie. Okay, this download link on description, you click it and download it. First we can open this app. This app name is msqrd. We can first open this app. After opening app, now you want to shake your head down for this air app. Now some examples I'm showing. Now if you see means my face is now not scanning. Now you have to keep in that circle. You will see many like this. It will be very fair to you. Now it's like a master hacker. Now many effects is here. Many effects is here. It will be very nice to take your videos, and many effects it will be very fit to your skin and like very perfect skin. It will be very look. And next this is the master hacker one, and this is a night mode. You can take, it's very perfect. And next this is dragon. And next and it's very nice. It's very, and it's very nice to look, and its expression also very nice expressions. I like this application very so much. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hello, please comment this video. Thank you.